This Century 21 Nachman Realty property video is presented by Faith Turner. Spacious traditional in Berkshire Meadows. Fresh paint and new flooring throughout, updated kitchen with new cabinets, granite countertops, and stainless steel appliances, great floor plan with living room/office, dining room, sunroom, and family room. Large primary suite with great closet space and private bath. Cul-de-sac lot with large backyard, attached garage, and nice front porch. New windows and new heat/air. Established neighborhood convenient to Sentara, Obici, shopping, dining, and easy access to Route 58. For more information, review the details below or contact Faith Turner at 757-424-0202.